The command center in Overstock points out key areas of your business that you should pay attention to, kind of like the dashboard on your car. For example, overstock fees and low inventory level fees. Overstock connects up with Amazon's API and is pulling in the aged inventory report and long-term storage fees, as well as monthly storage fees moving forward based on your inventory timeline. And you can look at this dashboard and actually see what fees are coming up for each product moving forward in the future, including what you might spend in the next month on aged inventory. From there, you can develop plans to either remove this inventory, sell through it, or liquidate it. The command center also has a widget for low inventory fees and impending low inventory fees. If you have any products that are under the 28-day low inventory level threshold, we would list those out and give you actions that you can take to avoid those impending fees. The command center